Alright, you guys, Marcus B. Peeping back with another video. You already know what it is. We get right into the topics here. This video is going to be about Marcus, bro. I've been broke for a long time. And this is talking in third person. This ain't me personally. But Marcus, I've been broke for a long time. It seems like everyone around me is just, they making money somehow. Either they scamming, or if they got some business off the ground, or whatever the case may be, they might start investing. How do I get into the same boat as them? How do I start making money just like them? I'm going to show you guys just a couple easy ways to make some money for yourself. Now, obviously making money requires effort, it requires time and sacrifice. If you're not willing to give up all three of those, you're not going to make any money, bro. At the end of the day, whatever you want to make money in, you got to become an expert at that. That way you get to sell that information off, drive some traffic to a website, maybe it's to a YouTube channel, whatever. You got money, bro. That's how the world works. There's so many, especially like online, I think there's like 6 billion transactions online every day. You get 1% of those in one day, I think you're rich forever. So it's really not a lot you have to do. Obviously, there's a lot behind the scenes you got to do, but in terms of actually making that shit, like, just continuously come every month, it don't take that much time. So, a couple ways you can invest. A couple ways you can make money. The easiest way that I started making money, like real money, is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, if you ever clicked on a YouTube video and maybe your favorite YouTuber is like advertising some product on their YouTube channel, and they have like a link in the description that tells you, hey, you use this code, you'll get 5% off. What that company does for them is, in exchange for some advertisement on the channel, if someone goes to the website and buys that product, that YouTuber gets a percentage of that product. It's called commission. So if you're interested in doing YouTube, like, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money, just because you don't need a startup cost. It actually costs $0 to start affiliate marketing. I actually affiliate market for a couple people who do e-commerce, which is the sale of goods online, and someone who does like stock market gems as well, who actually teaches you how to play the stock market. If you guys actually want to check those out, I'll leave the link in the description down below. See, that's one way to make money right there. Secondly, actually one more thing about the affiliate marketing. The thing about affiliate marketing is that at first, if you don't have a following, it can be tough to kind of get people to make sales. But if you have social media, one of the things that you can do, use the search function on the social media and just type in, I want to learn how to invest, right? Every tweet with somebody saying, hey, I want to learn how to invest, you can drop the link of the product, maybe to like help them invest. You can, you know what I'm saying, you got to use every feature on social media. I'm telling you, even the search, even the trending, all of that shit can help you make money. Secondly, what can you do? Make a YouTube channel like I'm doing right now. I don't have too many subscribers. We haven't even hit 100 yet, but I'm not saying like I'm making buku money on this channel. I've made money on different YouTube channels. But the thing about making money on YouTube channels is that you have to have, I think, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So you're actually going to have to put in some work for free before you actually start making money. And then that's determined by your CPM and your ad rates and all this other stuff. But if you guys don't have money to start a business, creating a YouTube channel is easy as hell. And the thing about creating a YouTube channel, which actually this leads into the affiliate marketing I was talking about before, if you're an expert at whatever you like to do in life, whether it's video games, whether it's gardening, growing weed, talking about relationships, or whatever the case may be, bro, you can build up an audience with that information and then sell something to them. A lot of this is building up an audience and then just selling things to people. Like, this is how a lot of people are making a lot of money right now. So, like, my last video, I'm talking about girls and finances and how you need to get that shit together, right? So it's like, I could I could sell a book on financing if this channel was just about financing. If only if I had 1,000 subscribers, I was getting like 200 views a video, which ain't a lot really, but that's really all you need to start making money. You feel me? You drop the link in every video you drop. I drop 5-6 videos a day. That's 1,000 views that could potentially become sales if they click that link in the description box. Is that not easy? Is that's not really like going out of your way to make a little bit of money. You feel me? It's, you know what I'm saying? Another way you can make money is playing options. Now, if you guys don't know what options are, I don't really... So the thing about investing, I know a lot of you don't know a lot about investing, so I'm not going to get too in-depth about it, but options is basically buying 100 shares of whatever it is and basically betting if the stock price will go up or down. Now, the thing about it, you need about $100 to $200 to really start, but there are multiple resources online where people actually do the work for you. They actually look at the charts, they look at which companies are going to do good once the market opens, and then they'll tweet out, hey guys, put these settings in your app or your Robinhood or your broker account or whatever the case may be. You can pay them for the signals that more than likely are correct. Like, they're not going to give you plays in the stock market that don't really do shit. So you can pay those people, right? You can pay like $25. I pay somebody $25. I send them $25 through Cash App. He gives me 2 option plays. So I have 200 shares in two different companies, and I make money like that every day. And I don't have to look at charts. I don't have to understand how stocks work. I just pay somebody to do the work for me, use the money I want to invest, and just triple it just like that. That's just through investing. There's a lot of people who actually do the work, who sell off the signals for like the stock, and you'll make a lot of fucking money, bro. And you don't have to do any of the work. That's easy as fuck. You know what I'm saying? So that's another way you can make some money as well. You can sell marijuana. It's like, no, you don't gotta sell no marijuana. What else though? What else is a way to make money? So I've done this before. This is obviously like gonna be the hardest or the most work intensive thing you might have to do. But shit, if you're in the city, if you live in the city or near the city, dude, start up a car wash, bro. It's summertime. There's pollen everywhere. People want their car washed. Don't charge them exorbitant amount of prices. Charge them $6, $7, $8 to clean their car real quick, the outside. You know what I'm saying? Get about 40 to 50 cars out the way in a day. You know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do, bro. That obviously is more work intensive. That's more of getting people together and helping you out. But y'all should get the gist of this video. Like, this video, it should be showing y'all that, bro, there's a lot of ways to get coin out here, bro. You don't have to be out here broke. You don't have to be out here struggling, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got more than enough. If you're watching this video right now, you have more than enough to be able to make you like thousands and thousands of dollars a month. Like, don't be out here scary. Don't be out here acting like, your life is going to determine whether you make money or not, whether your parents were rich or not. You can't make no money. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't be out here one of these stupid ass motherfuckers, bro. There's a lot of ways to make money. I just showed you 3 or 4 ways. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do? So, like I said, man, go out here and make this money, bro. It's 2020. We can't be broke out here, bro. We cannot be broke out here. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you check out the next video, bro. Check out all the videos on my channel. They all gems. They all funny as hell. They're either gems, funny as hell, or some shit that you can relate to. You feel me?